So it looks like it's 10 months since your surgery. You have full range of motion, full power, the ability to make a full fist, don't have any pain. So at this time, everything is healed in on x-ray, everything is healed in on your clinical examination, so no restrictions. Progress your activities as you want to. If there's any problems, come back and see me. I'd be happy to see you again.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're very welcome. Be well.
I appreciate.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Hey, Magadi. This is anyways, I just want to give you an update about my hand, you know. Ningi ndakaenda wa doctor msa 21 and doctor akantaura kuti everything zviri bhonzo rabatana chichi, but you know, I wouldn't tell kuti I just have to take it easy. I can do no more things, and I shouldn't lift heavy things because muchando muno zvinoitika nje kuti rukumbeta kakurwadza waiziya. I explained kwaari kuna doctor wangu anonzi Dr. Halman of Humber River Hospital in North York, that's in Toronto. Ndio wamaona pekutanga pa wandatora video. That's my doctor, and you know, I ask him kuti I explain one or two things, you know. Yeah, kuno kwakasiyana nekuZimbabwe. Zimbabwe hospitals are not allowed cameras and whatnot, but so that's another thing that you cannot try doing in Zimbabwe. Awubvumirwi camera kana kutora picture kana kutora video mu hospital. It's a no. But kuno kufuti pandakatora video ndakatokumbirwa kuti can I use your video, so yes, na Dr. Halman. It's been about 8 months. Ndaiswa plaster, but it's over a year now. Ruko rangu rachikoka. Ndakachikora ruko iri musi wa 9 February. Nakomana 2 wanonzi Parashe, Patricia na Tinashe. Demumwe akazouya anonzi Kosi. These are the guys who fought me, and vakandirwisa unprovoked with my weapons. But ruoko rwabo zvimwe zvandaitadza kuita izvi zvekudaiwo, because pakaiswa bhonzo apa kubva pahip pangu rabaiswa screw apa somewhere apa, but operation yacho yakabva nekunoko. I don't know what vanozviita sei, but anyways, that was the update for my hand and abo. Saka chambokuona kuti ngatsvake zvekurishandisa roko iroro, but I think I'm gonna just chill for now, maybe for another 2 years. Just gonna chill, you know. Poza kutaura kuti handifana kusumudza zvinorema. Kana kuZimbabwe, when I went to Zimbabwe, ndamboda kutry kusumudza speaker ndiri 1. Ndakarwadziwa neroko, but ndakaisumudza zvangu, but I don't think I'm gonna do it again anytime soon. But ndokamiriro kakaita zvinhu, you know. I'm very happy kuti roko rangu ra back to normal. Although rinotaka kurwadza, like I said, and unongoziva ndave 55 years, saka mabhonzo acho mawani. Kutongotora vitamin D kuti zvisimbe necalcium, supplements waiziya, you know. Vakomana vaida kutondiremadza ndakura zvaimbogaya, but ndambotyoka musipa anyway, saka hazvi zvinhu zvinonyanyotyisa. 1997 pandakaita car accident, you know, ndakaiswa about 60 mastaplers. Ndakatorwa futi bhonzo futi pahip rakaiswa futi rabanzi chwene nespring. So this is my second surgery. In fact, it's my third. Kunambo choka roko futhi. Saka roko nemtsipa ne roko futhi. So it's my third surgery. You know. I was in a halo for like 3 months. Then I had to go for therapy for like 2 years, you know. But it was 1997, it's a long time ago. A few people know Zimdancehall, you know. Dr. Wagawa from Cuba. Otherwise, then to vegetables. So the door got a mugul chain, it's not one second of farm. Because I got to Kingston, Ontario. I put my doctors there. That's why Dr. Waga from Cuba. But anyways, back on my end, the end is bo, you know. Should be it, but like I said, it's not perfect to the core. So I'm going to take it easy, like what the Dr. Halman said. Thank you, Dr. Halman, Andy, and the crew. And in them, that, you know, give thanks, Andy. You know, big up yourself. And the whole family at Humber River Hospital in North York. Thank you very much. I'm out.